Do you find yourself running late for appointments? Are you too busy with mundane tasks and are unable to focus on important things? Don't worry, it's time to hire a virtual assistant to groom up your business. With over 4 years of extensive experience, my team and I have helped hundreds of business owners streamline their tasks and processes, allowing them to focus on their core business and pursue their passions. With our services, you'll be able to focus on the things that will push your business to its full potential. We can assist you with multiple tasks like data entry, data mining and analysis, web research, data collection, Microsoft Office, data cleaning or conversion, and much more. We have an acute sense of judgment and the ability to perform high-end tasks with 100% accuracy and satisfaction. So what are you waiting for? Contact me right now and let me help you build a bigger and brighter future for your company.